Hello YouTube, I'm back.
Hello!
With another video. He's here as well.
Hello!
I hope you don't mind.
Unfortunately.
I hope you don't mind him being here.
Everyone doesn't mind me being here.
If you don't recognise this map, you probably won't.
I don't think anyone's heard of this map.
Yeah, it's not very popular, but it is awesome.
I think it should be. I think it should be like the #1 map ever.
Indeed, indeed.
Because there's a chicken in it. Wow, you hear that chicken from miles away.
What? Dude.
Oh, okay.
Never mind. Yeah, this is a computer.
Oh my dear Lord.
Indeed.
Oh, what?
Yes. Yes. Yes, Callum. Hold on.
What the fuck?
Actually, no, that'll break it. Hold on.
I
was going to look at the specs for you, but I can't move over. Because it'll break the full screen and the recording will die. Anyway, this is it. What I'm staring at here is a RAM. All 150 bits of it. Which is not much. In layman terms, fuck off.
I'm slightly speechless.
Yeah.
What the hell?
That is, I believe, No, this is the RAM manager. RAM controllers. Jimmy's favourite. No one will understand that.
I'm still.
Yeah.
This is a big redstone circuit. This is possibly the biggest redstone circuit I have ever seen. Ever.
Yeah.
Ever.
Yeah, so there's the RAM over there. This is the ALU/CPU, whatever you want to call it.
Because I know what that is.
CPU, basically. So, these are all the different things it can do. So, invert answers, subtract, add. I'm not quite sure what that one is.
It's like primary school all over again.
Or, XOR, and...
Now it's like secondary school. I know nothing.
Yeah. So this is the RAM. This is the number display which you saw I was standing on. That's the graphics thing.
I'm just going to go with thing.
It's a thing, yeah.
Everything looks like a thing.
Basically, it draws on that, which is rather amazing. It's displaying 0002. That's because of the program I just put into it. So it's got like you can program it with your own code.
So does it add? Does it literally it adds?
At the moment,
together?
Basically, I think it's the Fibonacci sequence. I believe.
I've heard of that.
So it's like you start off with 1 and 1. So it does 1 plus 1 is 2. Then it does 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 2 plus 3 is 5, and so on and so forth. And I've basically
this can probably do more work than I can do.
Yes. So I've programmed it to basically count up. So this is the programming stuff. Basically, it's rather simple way of doing it, but it works really well and it's quite effective. So basically, it saves in whatever number you put in onto the user input panel thing, and so it saves that into the two different slots, and then it adds them together, and then it adds them together, then puts it into the...
I'm just amazed that this is made by Redstone. It's Minecraft, and it's literally... You can't even put two redstone things together without them joining together and mucking up anything. I can't make a torch turn on with redstone.
You mean turn off?
Or anything. I can't make a redstone. You know what it is?
Oh dear! Yeah, so...
Wait, hang on. Who made this?
I can't remember the guy's name, but it will be in the description.
How many people made it?
I think it was one guy on his own. But
wow, spare time.
I'm pretty sure the GPU has been copied from somewhere else, and I think the CPU is also copied from somewhere else. I'm pretty sure he built the RAM and the other stuff by himself. Again, I also think this number display may have been... I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. But...
Somebody paid attention in school.
Indeed. Indeed. Right.
Oh yes, now we're going to see.
So we're going to switch it on, there's a bit of a problem with it, I found. Because it's so big, even though I'm on far render distance, when I'm standing at the controls here, it, like, starts loading the empty chunks over there, and it forgets the program, and so it doesn't run properly, so you have to be floating in the middle. That is a problem I found.
So you're saying it doesn't work if you're too far away from it?
Yes. and it's a problem because it's so big, when you're just standing here, it doesn't seem to work.
Okay. Oh, and
it's not, go away. It's not too bad.
That's so much cooler.
Oh no. Right, so flip it on, and basically the light comes on saying, yes, I'm working. And so I've put in 1, this is a binary thing, so 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 512, 1024.
124, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Right, so at the moment it's just putting 1 into the right slots, and then we can watch it going. You can see the way the CPU is working. It's a bit slow to update the blocks. So the lighting goes a bit funny.
Are all the repeaters all black? I've just noticed that.
Yeah, it's a weird lighting thing. I'm not quite sure why it's doing that.
I think you just realised there's too many.
So it's come out with an answer of 3 there. You can see the lines on here which go black are the ones which is running.
Which one? Which one out of the few redstone?
You see, it doesn't load it quite right, and so sometimes it gets the commands a bit wrong.
So is this going up in 1s or 2s
no, it's,
or 3s or?
Well, it's the Fibonacci sequence. Hopefully.
Oh, is that 1 plus 1?
So it's the 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 2 plus 1 is 3.
Oh,
then
yeah.
3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3. Yeah. Yeah, so you can see the answer there. If you know binary, you can work that out.
That's 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1.
No, that's 1 0 1, which I believe is 5.
Ah, yes, indeed. Yes, that makes so much sense.
Right. Yeah. So you can't easily see the number display without it forgetting that.
Wait, so it's just going to pause when you go over to see it?
It's not going to pause, it's going to keep running, because it's only forgetting that little lump
So as soon as you go back and then come back, the number will change?
Hopefully. So you'll see the number's changed already.
So what's the number we're on now?
5.
5.
5.
005. 0005. I'm just trying to imagine this in, like, I just want this in the house. But, this is just the front room. Right? This is just the front room. You have your TV, your egg timer with you.
God.
Well, there's eggs back there, so that kind of says it.
Yeah. So you see the way it sort of forgets it.
I didn't see that bit. What the hell? Oh, wait. Oh.
Yeah, so it sort of forgets it if you go over there and it stops working properly. It's not too much of a big deal, but...
How's it... I want to see the big...
It doesn't seem to work on multiplayer properly because of that.
Well,
it sometimes forgets the little tracks around the edge of the RAM as well. So you'll find that when it's updating the RAM, like as it's going around, it forgets that corner bit, so it stops. It stops there. Yeah.
I want to see that big white thing in action.
This program doesn't use the GPU, but I think I haven't quite figured out how to use it. But isn't this just amazing?
It is literally. It's like. It's like 1 million update of Minecraft has just been done, and this is the first thing that somebody's built.
Yeah.
Basically.
Right.
I want to see the TV. I think if it is a TV, is it a TV or is it a computer?
Goosh. It's both.
Yes.
Indeed.
Wow. Somebody's been working hard. Wow, a TV and a computer.
The guy that built this is now building a second one. I can't wait for that to come out. It's meant to be quite a lot faster.
So we can destroy that one as well.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yeah, we did a map and it's slightly.
Let's just say that this map you're seeing right now is before. Yeah, that's basically.
I may stitch the after onto the end.
Just as that's a sneak.
Yeah. Yeah, so you can see it working. There isn't much to see in the way of, like, I mean, it's quite interesting just watching the redstone flash on and off and stuff.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. But as you can see here, it's gotten to the second digits now.
Epileptic fit!
Oh,
Yeah!
Oh, it's changing, it's changing!
Oh.
Bam, it's on 23.
Yes.
And hopefully that is part of the Fibonacci sequence.
Wait,
Hopefully.
Yeah.
If it's not, then I've done something wrong.
Yes you have. It's all your fault.
So you can see the way the CPU is sort of going. I believe like each different command goes on a different layer. So like one layer is add, one layer is subtract, and other stuff.
Can you go over to that big thing behind you?
Which?
That big thing.
This thing?
That over, forward. Not, well, right. That right. No, going around.
This.
There, up, look up.
That. Yes, that's the GPU.
Whoa.
That controls that big white screen.
Which can do
stuff.
Yay!
I think I understand how it works. It's just putting it into a program is a bit difficult.
Because you draw perfectly appropriate things on there, don't you?
Yes. I had a little test with it before someone...
Little test?
Yes. Well, little. It's on 32 now.
You were drawing your own one. It's okay. Wait, no, the one you drew yesterday, that was perfect reenactment.
I'm gonna switch this off now and then. Anyway, so that's an example of something you can do. On the demo program, it's like the one that comes with it when you download it. It's a bar graph, I think, and like whatever you've had these set to depends on how high the bars are. So that's pretty cool. I just reset it, yeah. So to reset it, you just flick that down, press the button.
It's hard to think that one switch is basically making a flashing light show behind that. Literally, we see from miles away.
Yeah. I'll have a go around here. This isn't exactly how it looks when you get it. I've made a couple of changes. So I've made the numbers green, the screen black. I've changed these items.
Which means it's all made by us now.
Yes.
All us.
It's completely me. I made it.
Yeah, all done. It was pretty hard to make, actually.
Took about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Anyway, so you just see some of the wires here. It's simply astounding how complicated this is.
Oh, I made a little path.
Yeah, the path he had before just looked horrible. So, yeah. So these are the wires, the control wires, which you come from the panel. Yeah, they do stuff.
Stuff.
Yeah.
Stuff. That, you might as well just say that for everything.
Yeah. So, yeah.
But that's pretty sick.
It is amazing. And the next one he's going to build is hopefully going to be a lot faster. I think it's going to have a bit more RAM. Sort of completely different system of doing it. Yeah, I'll leave links to both of them.
Leave a link to the map
in the description.
Leave a link to the map.
Yeah.
About it. And a glass ceiling.
Yeah. So. Oh yeah. Also, the texture pack I'm using is my own texture pack. You can download that from my website. Yes, I have a website.
Yeah, you can't really tell the difference between anything, but there is a little bit of...
Yeah, so the redstone slightly changed. I think the torches are larger, like the thing around them.
Whoa.
Also, glass is not irritating anymore.
So you can't... There's like those little bitty pixels that get in the way.
Yeah.
It's just little things, but yeah.
Yeah, so like the glass here, much nicer.
Beautiful.
The only other thing that's changed is the rails are now blue. Yes, I like blue.
Oh yeah, pretty blue rails. Pretty blue.
Pretty blue. Pretty.
I like the way that he just made this amazing map and you've just put this random crap track down that you are now gonna...
Yeah.
Oh, it's really good.
Totally. More fine cards.
That's just that.
Oh my god, do you remember? Oh.
But anyway, whoa, okay. But anyway, thank you for
watching.
Thank you for watching.
Yes. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Also favourite. That helps.
Please like me.
Please like me, I'm so lonely.
I have no friend. Anyway.
Yeah, that's about it.
See you next time in our next exciting adventure. Goodbye.
Yeah. Bye.